Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a quick get ready as we are going to a get together at friend's house, nothing fancy. So I'll be starting with my base makeup. I've already did my skincare in the morning itself. For my base, I'll be using Water Fresh Tint from Chanel. It's in shade light medium. But before that, I'll be just concealing all the imperfection using the concealer from Tipsy Beauty in the shade Pina Colada, and I'll just apply it all over the places where I think I need bit of more coverage, because the tint I'll be using has very sheer coverage, and I'll blend it using this brush. I use the same brush to blend my liquid blushes as well. It's really good brush to blend everything out. I don't know the name of this brush. As you know, I'm not a makeup artist, just makeup lover. So yeah, now the concealer is applied. Now I'll be applying the fresh water tint, and I'll directly apply to my face and blend using the brush which comes with it. This is very nice tint and very lightweight, does not feel heavy. And for my blush, I'll be using the Natural Wash Moonkiss blush. I really love this blush. So it's in the shade Bubbly. It gives you really natural pink like flush on your face, like you're blushing. And I'll apply it on like my cheeks and eyelids and nose and bit on chin. So after that, I'll be setting my face using Mars Compact. It's the 2-in-1 compact, and be using the dark shade with this puff, and I'll just lightly dab onto my face. For my liner, I'll be using this tattoo liner from Maybelline. I really love this liner, but I keep losing its cap and then it dries out. So now let's apply liner. And by mistake, I applied too thick wing, but that's okay because I won't be doing anything else on my eyes. No mascara even. For my lip liner, I am using deep cherry shade from Charmasi Milano. These liner glide on so easily and have so pretty range of shades. Like I have the two shades, one nude and cherry brown. And for my lipstick, I am using Lip Whip from Faye Beauty in shade Cuff. This is my like go-to nude shade. It's very pretty nude shade. And now that my makeup is done, I'll just do my hair and show you the full look. Now this is the full look. For my hair, I've just tied two little ponies and just added a denim jacket with my look because it's winter now. And that's it. That's for the today's video, and that's my complete look. Bye.